I'd say this is the most advanced age of human ability. We all want to be healthy, so we push our lives to the limit. And we track everything. Our steps, calories, grams, it's all there. But this is what life is like for your cells. Usually under attack, always on the defense. Because of poor nutrition, or the environment, or stress, your cells, the biological unit that determines your quality of life, continually battle the effects of free radical damage and a lack of healthy fats, which eventually leads to premature aging, cellular mutation, and inflammation. None of us want that. And if these go unattended long enough, things can get serious. So here's a true story. In 2005 and 2006, with the help of the University of Maryland, a group of doctors were treating a number of young terminal patients. These patients needed to build their immune systems in a short amount of time without having to consume large amounts of nutraceuticals. After exploring many options, these doctors found very high concentrations of nutrients in particular seeds. And from this discovery came the first seed-based formulation from Rain International. Rain combined specific seeds with other plant-based ingredients to create wellness products like these. The seed combinations are nutrient-specific, organic, non-GMO, cold-pressed for excellent quality, at the highest standards in manufacturing, and the mixture is uniquely bioavailable. Just ask these people.
That all sounds cool, right? But learn the facts for yourself.
An independent lab tested Rain's flagship product, Sol. Not just the ingredients used in Sol, the actual formulation that you receive in hand. They found Sol is 2.5 times more powerful at fighting off cell-damaging free radicals than any other supplement tested at Brunswick Labs. It also produced a 62% increase in the body's ability to prevent aging in your cells. 62%. That's a big deal. In a similar test, Rain's green product, Core, proved to be 8 times more effective than the USDA's top 20 fruits and vegetables at protecting against the highly reactive singlet oxygen, 3 times the antioxidant power, and 67% higher in proanthocyanidins.
Proantho what? That means it's way good for your immune system.
So here's the takeaway. The seed-based products from Rain slow down the clock for your cells, facilitate a strong immune system, and help neutralize free radical damage in a significant way. It's simple, convenient, and raw. No fillers, no fluff. It's just real, the way nature intended it. Because life can come at you hard. Unless, of course, you're fighting back. From Rain International, the original seed company. Click here to order Rain products with a money-back guarantee, or click here to learn more.